बरें सर आमी आयचें सिच्युएशन पळयता असेंब्ली आफ्टर बायपोल डिक्लरेशन कोड लागला फोंड्या म्हणटकीर फूल सावथ गोव्याक कोड तो एक्चुअली सो ताजेर आमी पयलें व्हडलें डिस्कशन सुद्दां जालें क्लॅरिटी मागली विजय बाबान सो तुमकां कितें दिसता तुमी सारके कायद्याचे मनीस कायद्यांतलेच मनीस सो कशें कितें काय एक ऑप्शन आसा काय कितें करचें पडटलें
सो केन्ना मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट इन्फोर्स करतात तेन्ना इट इज वेन एन इलेक्शन इज अनाउन्स्ड सो इलेक्शन is announced, the model code of conduct phrase use kota kicks in, so the enforced zalo. Now the moment model code of conduct is enforced, there are many do's and don'ts which is prohibited for the government to do, and in the government cannot make any announcements, cannot provide any schemes, cannot provide any relief to make this kind of announcements which can alter the equation in an election, by election also. So therefore what happens is, now we are having a budget session. In a budget session we have question hour where we raise questions, we have 0 hour, we have calling attentions, and then we have demands. In all this, whether it's ruling or opposition, we put up issues and where the government has to respond how they will tackle with those issues. The issues may be, sometimes I may raise relating to my constituency, I may raise relating to North Goa. Sometimes I raise a general issue affecting entire Goa. You can't say no, I will do only for North Goa and Kushavati and not for South Goa, because I have the code laglo for South Goa. So this is the problem which will happen, and how will they be able to present and give answers to our questions, to our 0 hours mentions, to our calling intentions, and to budgetary demands, what debates we are having, our cut motions. So if you are having something which is affecting the entire state but minus South Goa, it can't be a budget. As I told you, budget is for the whole state. So that is why there will be the difficulty. It will completely violate the code of conduct.
वोट ऑफ अकाउंट कितें घेतलेशें दिसता तुमकां
So let us see how the government has to present it. Then the moment the government presents what they intend to do, then we will tackle it. I will not give any anticipated answers, because let the government present.
सेकंडली आनी एक आसा जेन्ना आमी सावथ गोवा म्हणटा तेन्ना इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडियाक कुशावती डिस्ट्रिक्ट नोटिफाय जाला काय सद्या फक्त नॉर्थ सावथ आसा अशें
So they have already notified Kushavati district.
बट इलेक्शन कमिशन ऑफ इंडिया कडेन हें जाला तशें
I don't know about election commission. Once it's the question of notification of a district is an administrative process. You don't require permission of election commission of India.
ना हेका म्हणटा कोडाक सो थंय नोटिफाय जावचें
for South
पडटा
Goa district.
हय
So what is South Goa district? It excludes Kushavati. Please don't forget that. Now there was one thing which was in the assembly which was being said about by saying that House is supreme one. So don't forget, yes, House is supreme, but don't forget that we have got the legislature, which is the House, the executive, and the judiciary, which are the 3 organs of the Constitution. But the Election Commission also is a constitutional body, and the Supreme Court has recognized that the Election Commission's diktat, which it passes through this code of conducts and the instructions, have statutory and constitutional force. So we must know to respect the organs which are the functionaries in a constitutional setup, and I think we should not cross that line, Lakshman Rekha line, as I would say.
Doctor, you said election commission is also a constitutional body. They doesn't aware about the budget session is going on in Goa?
You put it the other way around. Was the government of Goa not aware by-election is coming?
Okay. Thank you.